Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up my horizontal planner for the week of February 28th through March 6th. I like to use this planner for hand-lettered quotes, safe space to practice my hand lettering skills that I've been working on for more than a year now. So the theme I'm going to go with, you guys, I'm still stuck on the whole World Wildlife Day on the 3rd. So one of the books I never reach for is Pastel Tropics because it's got so many super bright colors, and typically I shy away from combining lots and lots of bright colors. I also don't like hot weather, so tropical is kind of not my thing. I'm much more of a snow person, but I feel like this, for several reasons. So for Wildlife Day, and because I like to pick bright pens, I think it's fun to pick bright pens. I feel like this is a good book to use for this spread. So I have this book. I definitely want to put all the animals in. So what I thought I would do is something a little different than I normally do. I want to go ahead and come out from the spines and build it with a bunch of leaves in the center. So I also pulled this older Fun Florals sticker book because it's got these pages of Monstera leaves. And this book actually has a bunch of extra pages that I've added because this is one of the older sticker books that I've had since way back when I experimented with taking my sticker books apart and decided I didn't like it and put them back together. But what I did do was put all of my florals, full pages of florals in this book. And so I have a bunch of different Monstera leaves in here. So what I'm going to do is start, I think, with these along the spine. Now, they're not long enough. Like, I like these two because they have the most green, and they're not long enough. So what I'm going to do is start on this side with one at the top and this side with one at the bottom. Actually, what I'm going to do, let's cut them in half. Not in half, but let's cut them. I'm going to cut them at different heights, and here's why. So if I cut them not in the center, but kind of off center, there's a method to my madness, you guys. Bear with me. Okay, so there, I cut maybe a quarter. Okay, so now I have two flat edges. So on one side, I'm going to start with the small piece at the bottom, and I'm going to have to punch this. I'm just going to go right to the edge of the spine with this. Small piece at the bottom with that flat edge and long piece at the top. And then I'll do the opposite on the other side. I'll put the small piece at the top and the large piece at the bottom, and that's going to stagger where my gap is so it's more blended. So let's do this side, we'll do the opposite. Okay, so now my gap is kind of offset, so it won't be quite as glaringly obvious when I try to fill that in. So now I got to figure out how I'm going to fill that in. So there's some of this. They're different size. Some of this. Okay, let's fill in with, let's cut this, I think, and kind of use it. So if I take, I'm just kind of trying to stick to all the leaves in the same colors, but I don't need these feathers because there's no feathers in there. So let's put this one here, and I can cut off the feathers. I'll put it here so it's not covering up Saturday. So that fills in a section. And then let's take this round one and kind of use it too to fill in some sections. So if I put it kind of, I don't want teal right next to teal, so let's turn it a little bit. Let's put that there. And it's gonna look awkward at first, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fill it in with more. So I'm figuring if I put this right next to a punch, it won't quite look like such a straight edge. Oops, don't stick to there. And then that piece I can use over here. Pretty good. I like it. Okay. I have one little piece of a leaf left, but it's got straight edges all over it, so I don't know. We might hide it in there somewhere. Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and try to intermingle some of these as well. I like these that are minty, I think, because I feel like it matches the colors a little bit better than these super green ones. So let's use these. Maybe what I'll do is kind of layer these all the way across. Oops. Oh my goodness. So I said I was going to layer it all the way across, and then I didn't with that one. Just want them turned in all different directions, you know. Oops, and then I just ripped that one. Oh my gosh. All right, let's take advantage of the way I ripped. I think I just want to try to use this page up, you guys. And you're not crazy, I didn't mention this, but I am starting with the biggest leaves and working my way down to the smallest leaves because it's easier to fit in the smaller ones than the bigger ones. So there's this little space here, so I'm going to put this one kind of in there. Okay, I like it so far. Now we need to mix in animals, and then we need to mix in boxes for who to attribute the quotes to. And I apologize, I didn't know to write the name of the sticker book on the back of the page, so I have no idea where that came from. So, let's switch to the animals to get a better sense of the colors. There are 2 pages of tropical looking animals in here. Here we go, sloths and lizards and toucans and leopards. So we're going to cover notes with something. Let's go ahead and white that out. I want to come down the spine, so there's not really anything I can put over that, so I'm just going to leave it. And my rationale is the word I write here, the big word, kind of sets the tone for the quotes for this week. So the fact that it says this week is not a super huge deal to me. So let's put something, an animal right there. I could put a sloth. Let's put a sloth. See if I can attach his branches, the 2 ends of his branch kind of up in the leaves. Yeah, right like that. It just kind of chose where it was going to go on its own. Okay. So no, I have not punched this yet because I'm not sure I'm not going to have anything overlapping it yet. So this looks like a place where I could put, how about right up here under Friday? Let's put a box up here. So I did pull colorful boxes to pull boxes out of. I think maybe I'll just stick with the greens. And I think I want this relatively small size. So it is going to overlap the florals a little bit, and I am fine with that. I think one of these. I got 4 of these. Let's just go with all 4 of these. So we're going to put one here. I can do Friday and Saturday because I got that big space. But I got to figure out where to put animals. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that. 1, 2, so I put one here. I'm just going to lightly stick it mostly to the stickers, and that way it should peel up okay. Same thing with this one. 4. So this one's going to need to go there. It looks like the sloth's branch is connected to the box. Maybe I know I can lift him up because he's sticker over sticker. So let's do that. Have him come on top of the box so it looks a little more integrated into the decor. There. Cute. All right, done with these. Okay, so we have a sloth. We need a toucan, a lizard. So I have that lizard's green as the boxes, so I don't need more of that color. So let's pick this peach and orange guy. And then what else we got? The leopard's big. I need to put the big leopard somewhere right here. So these all come out roughly to here, and I have this space right here. So let's put a leopard there, and let's do I got hot pink there, so I don't want hot pink. Let's use the peachy guy. Since it's lighter than the leaves, I don't want to stick it over the leaves as much. So I'm going to bring it out a little bit more. Like that. There we go. That's cute. So now I have this peachy lizard I pulled out, but I got a peachy leopard. That works. Way up there. I like that. Just trying to keep a block of space for a quote. All right, so I used one of these guys. I need to use one of these guys. What else do I have? That's it, just those 4. So I'm going to do some repeats. Okay, where can I put another? I think the sloth is the most difficult other one. So how about this blue sloth? And I feel like his branch can be turned whatever direction I want. So let's put this guy here where I can make it look like he's attached on both ends. Sort of. Okay. Toucan. I feel like I could fit something slightly bigger there. How about a nice big one? Some of these are a little bit bigger. Let's go with this big guy. I'm just gonna put it so that it's under Saturday. Since it's a big block of black, it can overlap the leaves and it'll look fine. There we go. All right. Let's stick a lizard under here. And then we can put a toucan down here and we'll be done. Okay, so pink lizard. I think pink lizard. Because I've got blue. Yeah, let's do pink lizard. There. It's different enough in color from the leopard. Oops. There we go. All right, toucan down here and we're done. So let's see, I've got peach, pink. I don't want another purple, and I don't want it to face the same way. I want it to face the other way. So we can sit it like right here maybe. So that leaves me peach or, oh, lots of stuff on this side. How about green? I have so much green in the greenery. Nope, facing the wrong way. Blue, pink. I got lots of pink and peach. I think it's gonna have to be blue, you guys. I like his tail over top of the quote box. Yeah. Cute. All right. I think that's it, you guys. I like it. I like it all in the center. And somehow I managed to be able to see all my 3 days of the week on that side, which is pretty cool. The only other thing I could do would be to sneak a couple of these other little deco bits, like the hearts and stuff in there, but I don't think I need to. I think I kind of like it the way it is. So there we go. I will punch it off camera. You don't need to see me punch, but that is it. That is my World Wildlife Day spread in my horizontal hand-lettered quotes planner with the pastel tropics and some monstera leaves. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to try a horizontal planner. You could use it for gratitude. You can use it for wellness. You could easily take the wellness prompts like I do in my wellness and fitness planner and use them over here if there are more things that you want to track in your wellness and fitness planner, separate out the journaling prompts into this. That's the thing I love about disc bound planners, is you can change it up. You can change what bucket things fall in, and make it work for you. Try new things. If they don't work out, try something different. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.